Welcome guys, it's Certified Runner here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So basically what I'm about to do is just like a market outlook on this particular pair, EURUSD. And trust me guys, I'll be doing more of this and more educational content on this channel. Just do well to follow, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, so you can get like more of this. All right. So without much talk, so basically I'm a day trader, and I basically start. Sometimes I go down to the weekly time frame, but mostly my analysis start from the daily time frame. Okay. So the first thing is to know the direction of the market. Where's the market heading to? Before now, the market has been bullish, right? As you can all see from here, there's a break of structure here, a break of structure here. But when we get here, we got a sweep, right? Which led to this push downward that we're currently seeing. And we have a break of structure here, we have a minor break of structure here, and currently this is the recent break of structure. Sorry I didn't draw them out. I don't like my chart too messy. Okay, so that's why I'm kind of skeptical about the lines I'm drawing. So we have the recent break of structure here, which is, let me just name that BOS. And we can say here is the the lower high that sponsor the break of structure. Okay, and we expect in the coming market will soon open any moment from now. Okay, but we expect in the coming week, like in this week, market should take out the low, right? So basically we'll have like a push up around this region, then a breakdown. All right, so we'll scroll down to the 4-hour just to see what is going on. Honestly guys, you just need to keep things simple. Simplicity is the key. You don't have to complicate things. We know that we are just looking in between this range, because it's the lower high that is protected, which I believe, or which we believe the institution has kind of protect. So price should not move above that region. Okay, so currently what I can see here, we can see kind of liquidity, the first pullback. Some call it inducement, whatever name you want to call it, it's fine. So, and as well, to also know where we can take our entry as an XMT trader, although I add other concepts to my strategy, but using our PD zones, right? So we have to buy anywhere inside here, because here is the discount area if we want to sell, right? And here is here's the premium, sorry, and here is the discount. So because we have a bearish trend, like a bearish bias, what we should be looking out for is to sell. And here is the premium zone where we can actually sell from, where price will be very expensive. Okay, so any sell happening here is invalid, right? So let's just get that. So after that, we can go down to the 1-hour time frame, just to see clearer, the minor structure. Okay, we have our break of structure, fine. We have our liquidity. What is next? Our POI. Sometimes you can use order block, we can use breaker block, whatever you use as your entry. Okay, here is a a valid order block, and this order block is valid. Why? Because we have our fair value gap. Fair value gap is present. We also have inducement or liquidity. So nothing much guys, you don't have to complicate things. And here is our protected lower high. So I will expect price to come, take out this liquidity, tap into this order block here. Since we know we'll be taking out the zone, just place your SL a little bit above here. Currently now this is just about 10 pip, and that's crazy, 1:4 RR. But I mostly do minimum rather of 1:5. So I'm going to extend this a little bit, because I know definitely market can just weaken. And here is 1:5. And basically guys, crystal clear, period. You don't have to complicate things. Here's what I'm looking out for. Remember, as a trader, you have to be patient, right? don't frustrate. Allow the market to come tap you into this zone. All right. Probably we can look for, quick buys to this zone on the lower time frame when we get confirmation, to actually buy the market to this point, then sell. But that will be probably on the 15 minutes, the 5-minute time frame. So basically, guys, this is what I'm looking out for on EURUSD, and catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Whenever I drop more videos like this, you get notified, and do well to share with your friends. Catch you guys later. Bye and God bless.